Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our Leansimcorp channel. Okay, so in the last video we looked into understanding the problem statement for random industries. We looked into what was the demand per day required. We created a simulation model just like the random industries are having, like one set of machines which create bottles, another set of machines which create caps, and then we combine them, parallelize them with all the input cycle times which we did got it, and then we ran a simulation for one day, and we find it out that we are getting a throughput of almost 14 pallets, right? So if I just run the simulation and if you check it, we are getting 14 pallets in 1440 minutes. But the demand required by random industries is about 450 bottles per day, that is 22.5 pallets. But if you could have looked into, we are producing 287 bottles out from our bottle line, okay? But we are not getting that much. So the 7 are here and we get 280 parts here at the FG area. So the target or the objective in this today's video is we need to identify what is our bottleneck stations, how we can debottleneck the system, and we need to also identify that how much maximum throughput can we get per day, what should be the minimum buffer we need to have in between stations if required, and what are those stations which need cycle time improvements, okay? And let us see what and how it is going to impact. Also, we need to get the what I can say, the future target demand of 675 parts per day. Okay, once we achieve 450, our next target is to get 675 parts per day. And how are we going to get that? Okay, so now let us analyze the system. So to analyze the system, okay, we are now going to create the dashboard. And before I go into the dashboards, I would like to tell you that if you haven't liked our videos, subscribe to our channel, guys, do that. It really helps us and motivates us to bring such educational videos, okay? And if you haven't watched our video where we have created the simulation model from scratch, I would request you to watch that video first and then to watch this to have a better clarity. So now we have a simulation model ready and throughput details. Let us put in the graphs into the system, okay? So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to analyze the station utilizations so as to find out what is the bottleneck station. Okay, so I'm just using a dropper and randomly selecting the stations into the game, right? And then let us see which is that station which is highly utilized, okay? And then we will be understanding the flavor into the thing, okay? Now, in the comment section, let me know according to you, what do you feel is a bottleneck station, okay? And if we improve that, we are going to get that thing done. Let me know that in the comment section. So I'm just resetting this, okay? And I'm running the simulation model now. We have ran it for 1440, and if you go to look at what we are going to get in, is that our ST3 is almost 99.79% utilized, okay? And most of the time what we are going to have is that our, what I can say, the palletizer is in the collecting state, okay? So now the bottleneck station clearly identified as ST3 is our bottleneck station, okay? And that is what is creating us from for not getting this production done, okay? So the first thing was, so the first objective for us was to identify the bottleneck station, and the bottleneck station is ST3 with 99.79% as the utilization. But there is one tweak as well, okay, that the industry is running only for, what I can say, is running for 3 shifts per day in a day, but it is also having 30 minutes of break per shift. So now the big thing for us is that we need to put in the timetable, okay? So the timetable are used to put in the breaks into the system. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a weekly repeat, okay, and in that weekly repeat let us put in the breaks of 30 minutes, okay, each. So the moment we're going to put in it for 30 minutes, okay, so let us put it and let us have a weekly repeat, right? So I'm having this here, then let me have another break here somewhere and another break here somewhere, okay. So we have 3 breaks of 30 minutes. So our available timing is going to get reduced to 1350, okay. It is going to get 1350, and I'm going to apply breaks to the processors and the combiners, okay. Let us reset this and let us run a simulation model now, okay.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is, discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be channel, okay. So here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. we have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger and happy life. We have organ related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.